Incarcerated chairman of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Masarrat Aalam Butt, has extended Eid greetings to the Muslim ummah in general and the people of the occupied Kashmir in particular. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC chairman in a message appealed to the people of the occupied territory to celebrate Eid ul-Fitr with simplicity and share its joy with the families of the martyred and illegally detained Kashmiris. Incarcerated senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Shabir Ahmad Shah, has felicitated the Muslims across the world, particularly in occupied Kashmir, on the eve of Eid ul-Fitr. Shabir Ahmad Shah, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, drew attention of the Kashmiris to the great sacrifices of the Kashmiri martyrs who laid down their lives and brought the Kashmir dispute out of the cold room and highlighted it at the global level. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that although Eid is a day of joy, happiness and blessings, yet the Kashmiris have so far missed the real spirit of this day because they are reeling under the curse of Indian slavery for the last over 7 decades. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a message on the eve of Eid ul-Fitr, said Kashmiris will celebrate the real Eid once they break the shackles of Indian slavery and free their motherland from Indian illegal occupation. 2 persons were killed in a shooting stone incident in Srinagar-Jammu highway. According to Kashmir Media Service, 2 persons from Pulwama district died after a shooting stone hit a truck they were traveling in Digdol along Srinagar-Jammu highway. Civil rights group People's Union for Civil Liberties has raised a series of questions about the killing of former member of the Indian Parliament Atiq Ahmed and his brother Ashraf on April 15, saying that the answers to them will tell us whether it is a question of mere negligence by the Uttar Pradesh police or a deeper conspiracy by the UP police and the administration in the murders themselves. The two brothers were shot dead while they were speaking to the media by 3 killers, while the murderers have been arrested. Questions about procedural and security lapses in the UP police part have been raised. Speaker of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly Chaudhry Anwarul Haq has been elected unopposed as the 15th Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. No other candidate had submitted papers for the office. Delegation of Christian leaders from Delhi called upon the Indian Prime Minister Draupadi Murmu in New Delhi and briefed her on the rise in atrocities against the community. The delegation members apprised Draupadi about the steep increase in the incidents of violence against Christians, especially in the states of Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh.